So in the following video, we're going to look at how to identify my x and y intercepts. So remember, my x-intercept is where it crosses down here. So at the x-axis, and my y-intercept is when my graph crosses up here at the y-axis. Okay. So my y-intercept is when x is 0, because x is 0 there, and then this is when y is 0, because my y is 0 right on that line. So I'm going to solve for my x-intercept first. So I say 2x plus 4y equals 9. Remember, I'm solving for y is 0, so I replace the y with 0. Now I solve, so 4 times 0 is 0, so I get 2x equals 9. Now the next thing I'm going to do is divide both sides by 2, and so I get x equals 9 halves. And so that means my x-intercept is at 9 halves, comma, 0. Okay, so now I'm going to find my y-intercept. Remember, I have 2x plus 4y equals 9. So I'm solving for y when x is 0, so I can take my x, and I can make my x 0. So I get 4y equals 9, divide both sides by 4, and I get y equals 9 over 4. And so I know I have my y-intercept at 0, comma, 9